If you are not using social media for your business in the 21st century, you are not actually doing business. But how something that is used for fun and time passing can be so beneficial for your business that it can boost your sales up to 2 to 3 times. Let's have a look at the best social media marketing practices that skyrocket your business. Our social media marketing experts say that there are important strategies to follow to boost your business on social media. All of these steps are interlinked with each other, and the choices made in one step will definitely affect the other steps. Here are some examples of some of these strategies when we discuss in more detail in our social media marketing course. Set social media objectives. Your objectives should be set according to the priorities of your organization. It is very important to categorize what your organization is all about. Then set the overall marketing plan by analyzing both qualitative and quantitative aspects. Use SMART framework, i.e. specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time framed. This will make a real impact on your business and will help to triple overall business income. Know your audience. Social media can help you to mark your target audience, but before you need to identify who is your main audience. You can start by compiling data and go further with social media analysis to target current customers. Use the top hashtags, specific social authors, and referral sites that are related to your business. You will soon analyze your audience by interacting with them online. Once you identify your audience, it's time to create buyer personas, or what we call a customer avatar. It helps you find the best possible ways to communicate with your customers and increase your sales. Focus on quality content over quantity. It is very important to create quality content on key channels. Although there are a number of social media marketing options available online, you don't have to do it all. Focus on creating quality content that entertains, educates, and inspires your audience. Once you have one authority in your domain, you can convert those viewers into paying clients. Are you serious about growing your business on social media? The best way to start is to get consulted by industry experts. To that end, Exodus Capital offers you a comprehensive course on the modern social media marketing strategies that help you go viral. Click on the link to visit our website and find the price of the course today.